Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. A couple notes before I get started. There is a link to my SQLite database and the R code in the description below. Also, don't forget to click the red S button on the lower right hand corner of the screen to subscribe. And don't forget to share the Caribou Data Science channel with one of your friends this week. And a big shout out to the 21, 22, 25 people who have subscribed to this channel so far. You can be the next. Okay, so what we're going to take a look at today is a very brief script of how to use sort and head to select the top 5 states ranked by the number of new cases you had on August 22nd, and also the number of new deaths they had on August 27th of 2020. So let's take a look at this very simple code. First thing I want you to notice is not that. Once you notice, once again, under 50 lines of code to produce a very usable report. Load the database, load the data, load the data. This just tells us the data is in date format. Select the data for the 22nd. Sort by new cases descending. And then use head to select the top 5 results, and then do a bar plot. Notice that the y-axis is first and the x-axis is second. So normally this would be cases and date. The data, of course, this is data case that we're using top 5 ranking for August 22nd. And here we are. Interesting enough, Alabama had over 5,000 cases yesterday, while California had 2,100. Now we come back, we do the same thing for deaths. New deaths, sort deaths, decreasing to select the top 5 states based on the number of deaths reported for August 22nd, and then do a plot. Interesting enough, Alabama is still, it's interesting that the 3 to 5 states all begin with the letter A. 4 to 5 states all begin with the letter A. That's interesting. Anyway, you can see Alabama, maybe 160 deaths reported on it yesterday, 22nd. 150 for Alaska, a little over 100 for Arizona, and a little over under 100 for Arkansas and California. Interesting enough, largest state of the bunch, largest population, had only had maybe 60 deaths, which is a fantastic job. Someone mentioned New York City. Once again, we do a sort of cases. New York ranks 34th, the 34th lowest deaths or cases for August 22nd. My home state of Ohio ranked 38th with 154 new cases. Let's get back up here now. But Ohio ranks 38th in terms of deaths for yesterday. New York ranked 34th with 8 cases. So you see, what we see here is a pattern of declining number of cases, deaths as time goes along. That's what we're looking for. We're ultimately looking for a decline in cases and deaths with regards to the time frame. So let's just run the finished report. And ranked by these are ranked by the new cases on August 22nd and the deaths on August 22nd. All right. Then all I normally do, I just come back over here and update my GitHub, which I've already done. Once again, don't forget to click that red S button at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and subscribe to the Data Science Caribou channel, and also go out, grab the database, grab the code, and run this report for yourself. All the details will be in the description below. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes with me today, this afternoon. We'll catch you later on this evening. Take care. Bye.